Greetings and thanks for taking a moment out of your day to review Star City Music's school year rental program. During the next few minutes, I'll be going over the highlights of why this program is beneficial to you, the parent, and ultimately why a great quality instrument from Star City Music will benefit your child in their band or orchestral experience. What is Star City Music's school year rental program? Well, here in beautiful Southwest Virginia, schools start in the middle of August and end the latter part of May or early June, just depending on the school system. You pay one fee up front to get the use of the instrument for the entire school year. There are no automatic drafts, there are no monthly payments. You pay one fee and you're good to go until your child's last day of school. Now, if you rent outside of this cycle, it's just figuring on a 10-month plan. So it's pretty easy. One fee covers your entire rental program. So what is the school year rental fee for most instruments like flutes, clarinets, trumpets, trombones, and percussion instruments? It's $199. That gets you the use of the instrument for the entire school year. That's half of most rental programs for the same quality instrument. We have the best rental program anywhere. If your child's going to be playing a different instrument than the 4 or 5 that I just mentioned, things like the oboe, alto, and tenor saxophones, euphoniums, baritones, single and double horns, and tubas, as well as cellos and string basses, that fee will start at $379. Now, depending on the instrument, brand, and model that you chose of those larger instruments that I just mentioned, the fee will be adjusted according to the cost of those instruments. But most of those are going to be $379 for the school year. So again, flutes, clarinets, trumpets, trombones, and percussion instruments, $199 for the school year. Saxophones, oboes, baritones, euphoniums, and things like that start at $379 for the school year. And again, a bonus, since you're watching this online, go to Star City Music, rent your instrument there, and you'll get an extra $10 off that fee. So it would be $189 and $369. Why a school year fee and not a monthly payment plan? Well, if you take a moment or two and review what the cost is on a monthly payment plan, many shops have an introductory plan that may be free for a month or two, but then you'll be paying $30 plus a month, and then a maintenance fee on top of that, pushing your monthly cost to over $40. Well, in 10 months, it doesn't take long to figure that you'll be well over $400 for the same instrument that you're going to get from Star City Music. So our school year rental fee saves administrative time and saves you money as a result. So what is repair and replacement coverage? I believe it is the hallmark of Star City Music's rental and purchase program. 5th graders, 6th graders, beginning band students do all kinds of things to instruments. I've been doing this for over 40 years, and every time I think I have seen or heard it all, a child comes up with a new way to make an instrument not work. So if your child's instrument doesn't work, all you need to do is contact us. You can do that on the internet. You can call on the phone. If it's a school in our extended service area, we'll come to the school and pick it up. If you're here in town, just drop it off at the shop. It's usually repaired in under 24 hours, and the best part is it doesn't cost you anything. If the instrument does not work, all you need to do is let us know. We will fix it at no charge to you. If the instrument is working properly, your child will be successful, and so will we. So here we are at the end of the school year. What are you going to do with that instrument? Well, you have a couple of different options. If your child is doing great with band, you can simply purchase the instrument that you have, and we'll apply the school year rental fee that you have already paid in rent towards the purchase price of that instrument. We'll also kick in an extra 20% preferred customer discount at that time. So you can make that choice and decide if that works best for you at the end of the school year. Now, if you're not ready to purchase an instrument, go ahead and simply re-rent and make next year's rental payment, and we won't even charge for the summer months. If your child has decided that band just wasn't for them, no big deal. Just call us up. We'll give instructions on what to do. If you're at a school in our extended service area, we'll come pick it up. If you're a local customer, just drop it off at the shop by the end of your child's school year, and there is no further obligation. Well, what do you do if your child decides in the middle of the school year that band or orchestra wasn't for them, or they need a different instrument? Well, it kind of works the same way. Just call us up, we'll pick it up. If you're a local customer, drop it off at our shop. Your refund will be figured on a prorated basis over a 10-month period. For example, at Christmas break, your child decides that band isn't for them. Just drop off the instrument and you'll get half your money back. Now, if your child's starting on a flute and they're struggling a bit, and with the help of the band director, they decide that maybe the trumpet was the best instrument for them, well, no problem. Just bring the instrument by. We'll exchange it. If you're out of town again, just contact us up. We'll modify your rental agreement and simply swap those instruments out. If they're a light-priced instrument, like flutes, clarinets, trumpets, trombones, or percussion instruments, it won't cost you anything, just a little bit of paperwork to swap out those instruments. If you're going to be moving to a more expensive instrument, you'll just simply pay the difference, and you'll be good to go for the rest of the school year. Another benefit of working with Star City Music is our Student Starter Pack. Included in our Student Starter Pack is everything your child is going to need to get started in class. There are specific books for each school, and it is also instrument specific as well. So if your child's going to be playing a flute, we're going to make sure that they have a flute book that your band director has chosen for their beginning band class. Also included in the Student Starter Pack is reeds if your child's instrument needs reeds, like clarinets and saxophones. Now, all of these starter packs will come with a care kit, again, also instrument specific. If you're going to play the trumpet, we're going to make sure that your care kit includes all the things that are listed on the school supply list that your band director sent home. We have all this bundled together to make it easy for you. And lastly, included in the Student Starter Pack is a folding music stand. This is for home use, and it is an important practice tool. It prompts your child to practice and to sit up straight when they do. Again, an important part of a good practice routine. They don't have to take it back and forth to school. It's for home practice. Now, if you get this with an instrument, whether you rent or purchase, you're going to get it at the discounted price of $39.99, a great value to you. If you're a customer that already owns an instrument, no problem. We offer it at our everyday low price of $54.99 plus tax. Again, another benefit for renting or purchasing from Star City Music. So you may have an instrument of your own, and maybe it's been stuck under the bed or in a closet, and you need it worked on. Drop it by our shop or let us know and we'll pick it up at the school if it's one of the schools that we service. You can find a list of those schools on our website and just let us know what we need to take care of on your instrument and we'll be happy to do that. Now, some instruments, if they're too old or they're poor quality, parts may or may not be available for it, but most instruments, good quality, name brand ones, we will be able to service for you. So again, please let us know if you need service on your instrument or need to have that old instrument simply evaluated to ensure your child's successful band experience. So how do you rent an instrument? It's pretty easy. Just go back to where you probably found this video, which was starcitymusic.com. Fill out the information that was requested. You'll see your rental agreement. You'll make your rental payment with your credit or debit card. That's it. It's just that easy. Remember, you'll save $10 off your regular rental fee when you rent online and be eligible to get the Student Starter Pack for $39.99. And yes, that's a lot less than Amazon. The entire process can be done in just a few minutes on your phone, tablet, or PC. Now, if your school is in our extended service area, we'll deliver the instrument to the list, or you can choose home delivery or store pickup. Even with store pickup, renting online will speed things up. Keep in mind, the store is an exciting place at this time of year. If you're trying to call us and it's mid-afternoon, you may not get through right away, so do it online at your convenience. Just visit starcitymusic.com, complete your rental there, and we'll get the instrument to you or to your child's school. We appreciate your time viewing our rental video. We hope you found it useful, and we wish you and your child great success in their band and orchestra experience. If you need more information, send us an email or check us out at starcitymusic.com.